The natural world never ceases to amaze, even in the depths of winter. While many creatures seek shelter from the cold, there are still wonders to behold for those who know where to look. Join me, as we venture into the heart of winter, on a safari quite unlike any other. Winter transforms familiar landscapes into breathtaking vistas. Gone is the lush greenery of the warmer months, replaced by a stark, often snow-dusted beauty. This change in scenery coincides with a shift in animal behavior, offering unique opportunities for observation and discovery. Over the next few minutes we'll unveil the secrets to planning an unforgettable winter safari. From the best destinations to the essential gear, we'll equip you with the knowledge to embrace the wild side of winter. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Africa. Tanzania's Serengeti National Park, with its vast plains, provides a dramatic backdrop for the Great Migration. Even in winter, millions of wildebeest and zebra continue their epic journey. Venturing north to Kenya, the Masai Mara offers another incredible wildlife spectacle. Witness the hunting prowess of lions, leopards, and cheetahs. Journey to the frozen landscapes of Yellowstone National Park. Here, bison, elk, and wolves roam free. Finally, we venture to the icy plains of Antarctica. Emperor penguins huddle together against the biting wind. Timing is crucial for a winter safari. In Africa, the dry season from June to October offers the best wildlife spotting. Vegetation is thinner, and animals gather around water sources. In Yellowstone, December to February provides dramatic snowy scenery. Wildlife is most visible against the snow. In Antarctica, visit from November to March during the austral summer. Penguins and marine life are most active. Always consult local experts for the best safari timing. Packing for a winter safari requires careful consideration. Layering is key, as temperatures can fluctuate dramatically. Start with moisture-wicking base layers, followed by insulating fleece or wool, and top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer shell. Binoculars are essential for observing distant wildlife. Choose a pair with at least 8x magnification. Protect yourself from the elements with sunscreen, lip balm, and sunglasses. Finally, pack a sense of adventure and appreciation for nature. Chapter 4. As we venture into the realm of wild animals, it's paramount that we do so with the utmost respect and consideration. Remember, we are merely visitors in their home. Silence is golden on a safari. Loud noises can startle animals, disrupting their natural behavior. Keep your voices low and avoid making any sudden movements. Maintain a safe distance from all wildlife. This allows them to feel secure and prevents any accidental encounters. Your guide will advise you on the appropriate proximity for each species. Never attempt to feed the animals. Human food can be harmful to wildlife and can alter their natural foraging behaviors. Chapter 5. Crafting your winter safari. Tailoring the experience to you. When it comes to planning your winter safari, you have a range of options to suit your preferences and budget. Guided tours offer the expertise of seasoned professionals who can lead you to the best wildlife sightings and provide invaluable insights into the local ecosystem. For the more independent adventurer, self-drive safaris provide the freedom to explore at your own pace. However, it's essential to be well prepared and informed about the terrain and potential hazards. Another option is to combine guided game drives with other activities, such as walking safaris, cultural visits, or even hot air balloon rides, for a truly immersive experience. No matter which option you choose, thorough research and careful planning are key to ensuring a safe and unforgettable winter safari. Chapter 6. A Guide to Safari Safety. Navigating the Wild with Confidence. Venturing into the wilderness always comes with inherent risks, but by taking the necessary precautions, you can minimize potential hazards and ensure a safe and enjoyable safari experience. Always listen to your guide and follow their instructions. They are experienced professionals who know the terrain and animal behavior and prioritize your safety. Be aware of your surroundings at all times. Wild animals are unpredictable, and it's essential to stay vigilant, especially when walking or driving in open areas. Keep your tent or lodge doors securely fastened, especially at night. This will prevent any unwanted wildlife encounters. Finally, pack a basic first aid kit and any necessary medications. Chapter 7. Embracing the Call of the Wild, your winter safari awaits. As we conclude our journey into the world of winter safaris, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the wonders that await those who dare to explore the natural world during this magical season. From the frozen plains of Antarctica to the sun-drenched savannas of Africa, each destination offers a unique perspective on the resilience and beauty of life on Earth. Remember to pack your sense of adventure, respect for wildlife, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. A winter safari is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Outro until next time. As the sun sets on our virtual safari, I hope you're left with a sense of wonder and a yearning to experience the magic of the wild for yourselves. Remember, every journey into nature is a chance to learn, to grow, and to connect with the planet we call home. Winter, often seen as a time of dormancy, reveals a different side to the natural world. The stark beauty of the landscapes, the resilience of the wildlife, and the thrill of witnessing nature's raw power create memories that will last a lifetime. So, heed the call of the wild this winter. Embrace the adventure, tread lightly, and allow yourself to be captivated by the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth.